Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another episode for my fall palette bingo series here that I'm doing, which is based off my 10 best fall palettes, which was really 11, which I'll link down below. It's a video, and every Saturday I'm doing a palette bingo using one of those palettes. Today's palette is the coloured Raine Queen of Hearts palette, so kindly given to me in the makeup swap from Elaine. So I'm really excited to do that. What I'm going to do is randomly select 4 shades with 1 bonus shade and try and come up with a look. So let's just get started. So I keep the sleeve that it's in, and I'm using the app Pretty Random, and I've put in here 1 to 12 because there is 12 shades in here, and it's just about playing, okay? So here are the beautiful, beautiful shades. So let's roll 4 shades and our bonus shade. Shade number 1 is 10, number 2 is 5, number 3 is 8, number 4 is 3 with a bonus of number 1. Okay, so there is 12 shades, and the first shade I got was number 10, 12, 11, 10. It is a matte purple shade, like it's a red purple called Ladyship. So here, this is here. Just gonna swatch them all. Okay, so first swatch, it is not really coming up. I'm sure now that's because my face and fingers have been through a lot today. I've applied makeup a few times. Okay, it's not really coming up, but yet and on my finger. We'll see. So the next shade is number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a matte orange in Express. This one feels a lot more buttery. And there we go here, which is a lot better. Shade number 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Royal Prerogative is a kind of a crease brown matte shade again. So far all matte. And last week was all, that's the first swatch was all shimmer. What does my look like? 3 and 1, so 1, 2, 3. Yay, we have a shimmer shade in Your Majesty. So I'll use my baby finger. So it, ooh, look at that. Okay, I love those shades. Look, that was 1 swatch. Okay, and now the bonus shade is number 1. Okay, shade number 1 is the shade number Crown, which is from a lens video. It looks like a transformer shade. There it is there. Let's put it like here. Ooh, I have put it here. I don't know if you can see that to its full glory. It is like a duochrome pink champagne color. That's pretty. Okay, so I'm wondering, is that purple shade that way just because of the amount of makeup I've worn today and like my hands? I don't know. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stop speaking, turn on some music, chill, play, let's see what happens. Only this time I'm going to put down here the brushes I'm using. They're going to have the names on it. So thank you, Sabrina, for that. that's my finished look using the Coloured Raine Queen of Hearts palette. Yeah, that was an interesting one, wasn't it? The colours are absolutely beautiful. I only had trouble with one shade, so that was the colour story we were working with. I ended up using all 4 of the shades plus the bonus shades, so I used the 5 bonus shades. Shimmers were beautiful. They did apply better with a finger. The only, as I said, the only shade I struggled with was this Ladyship shade. I ended up having to like dab it on rather than like when I blended it, nothing happened. But it was fine. I just pat like under the eye. I had to like stamp it on here, and then in the corner I had to stamp it on here in order to get it to have pigment. I didn't put eyeliner on. I just put on mascara again because I'm just going to hop into the shower after this. But yeah, I really liked this palette. It was fun to play with. Shimmers are beautiful. One issue with matte shade, but it was my first time using it, so we'll see what it's like when I play with it again. So if you have an idea of what palette you want to pick for next Saturday, let me know so that I can prepare it. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe, and I will see you the next time. Take care. Bye.